start stream on my OBS. I'm starting this up. Okay, good. All right, and I'm going to get you guys a new link right now. Okay. Yeah, I mean, you know, I have fucking like a $5,000. Yeah, I have a $5,000 build, so I mean, I hope it fucking works. What we're saying is we see a lot of potential in you. Yo, Kay, go ahead and open up that YouTube link for me, main chat. Yeah. I said go ahead and open up that YouTube link in main chat. I'm gonna just go ahead and test it on everybody's end. Everybody's gonna have to mute it. Yeah, and okay. Okay, good. So there's no delay. All right, great. Dude, I've been playing with this for like 2 hours trying to figure this out. All right. No problem. Whatever you want. Whatever you would like. I will also hop on a paper trading simulator if you guys need, so I could show you how I use Active Trader in level 2s. Yep. I'll keep overlap volume. I'll get rid of short trades. Ew, what is this line? Hmm. Dude, I can't wait to rip up these freaking carpets. I said I can't wait to rip up the carpets and finish the renovations on my condo. I'm gonna be putting like hardwood floor. Yeah. I'm probably gonna put like 15-20,000 into my place. I'm redoing my kitchen and bathroom as well. Yeah, about that. Yeah, bro. Realistically, I want minimum 10,000 next month. Hey, Mosh, how are you? Yo, you already broke 10 grand on the month, right? Oh no, I'm saying for this month you've already broke 10 grand, right? Gotcha. Okay. He'll let you know if he'll answer it. That's a separate entity. Okay, I'll tell you this from experience. What you want to do is you never want to open up your own business because the startups, the estimated fees are always wrong. Like, man, just like apartment buildings, you never want to build your own building. You want to buy a building that's already previously rented. What's up, Chris? Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, a lot. Yeah, let's just say a lot. That was probably, yeah. That's funny. Was it one of these? Was it one of those? And now 6 months later, we're all working together. Let's do it. Everybody that's here, can you guys just please go ahead and confirm that you could actually see me on live and open up that most recent YouTube link and make sure that it's on live time. Confirmed. Okay, Chris is in here. Thank you, Chris. Chris is actually my boy from Ricky's group as well. What's up, Janine? Yeah. Chris has a big take in RKT, I think. It's obviously delayed because it's a stream. Oh, Chris, so you do got like a 10-second delay, Chris? I He's actually on my toes. Come here. You want to make an appearance real quick? Here he is. Say hi. God bless you. Bourbon in my face, you asshole. He come. He's a Shiba Inu. He comes from the Japanese fox. I'm a bit obsessed. Oh, should I hop on some future trades right now? We got a break and spy maybe? I'm just kidding. I'm not hot. You want me to make $500 real quick on live in like 3 minutes? No, we not. I gotta see a break above 3442. If you guys want to see the correlation between futures, I can show you right here. So once you click this little down arrow right here on your symbol table, you'll see this screen pop up with a bunch of different things right here, and you just go over to futures right here. And then the futures will show you different correlations. So you click on this, and then you could see /ES, which is an E-mini S&P 500 index. It will move in 0.25 ticks, which means like, so you know how a stock will move in like 1 penny ticks? It will go from like $99 to 99.01 or 98.99, etc., etc. This moves in quarter ticks, so 0.25. So you could see right over here my price, it will move in 25-cent increments. Every 25-cent increment in the S&P 500 is equivalent to $12.50 in value. Yeah. So for every $1 move in the SPY, so if SPY went from 3440 to 3441, it would be equivalent to $50 in value. And that's how you tell right here. So you could go /ES. We also have mini futures, so you could scroll down. It will be /MES, which is right here. It's a micro E-mini, so that'll move in 1/10 of the size. So you could still see, I'm pointing at my screen like you can see my fingers, but you could still see it's moving in that same 0.25 increment, but every value now is $1.25 versus that $12.50 move. So that's a little bit on the slower side for you guys, because like I said, when I buy a futures contract, I can make or break $500 in a matter of a minute. Oh, Alex, you have a Shiba as well? Mine just turned a year old. So are we typing through Discord or are we typing through YouTube? What's our go with this? Yeah. Thomas Kim 123. Okay. Okay, Mosh, that sounds good. It's Janan. All right, cool. Why don't, yeah, I'll also go over, I posted in the live chat before upcoming earnings. Do futures have same chart patterns as stocks? Yeah. All right. So let me go ahead and just open this up real quick for you guys through the Discord. I uploaded an image, iTrends information tab right here. Can I save this image? Earnings 10/26/2020. Was that a dog? What was that? Guys, so this is just the earnings right here. Everybody wants to take a look. So what big earnings are we looking at for this week? No, well, yeah, Amazon is very expensive contracts right now for us options traders. So what are we looking at, Darren? Maybe like 15 to 18,000 on Amazon for a contract? Yeah, look at these prices. Yeah, look at these prices. Here you go. Monday, honestly, Chegg does very well usually during earnings. We have Alphabet. on Monday. Oh, AMD is on Tuesday. We have Caterpillar, which will be a big earnings, as well as Pfizer and Microsoft. Okay. Pfizer keeps getting approval for some type of the corona vaccine and everything like that. So I'll pull up a Pfizer on a bigger chart for you guys as well right now. Just this one right here. Yeah. Yeah, that gap up. This is a 30-day chart, 10-minute. Oh, 100%. Yeah. It's at 38.15 and the top right here was 39. I mean, granted this is only a 30-day chart, so I mean if I pull it up on a yeah, so this is a 180-day chart and you can see every single time it reaches around 39 bucks, right where my mouse is at, right around here. It's usually peaking around 39 bucks right here. Yeah, Pfizer's trading very high right now. They have a lot of outstanding shares. They're like a $20 billion company, if not more, probably $100 billion company, and they're not really known to move much. Like 2%, yeah, 2% a day is like strong for Pfizer. So yeah, I'll watch Pfizer during the earnings, but I'm not really. I'll probably play the after report of the earnings. So if it has very strong earnings and a strong uptrend catalyst, I'll maybe hop in on a trade or two. But yeah, other than that, I would not be playing earnings. And earnings lately at these prices have been getting rejected a lot. Like even on decent earnings, like stocks are getting crushed. For example, we have Tesla, we have Netflix, we have a few different stocks that have been getting crushed on earnings lately. And it's just stocks are very overvalued right now, and we're very due for a market pullback. And this, I think, after election, we're going to see some type of pullback. We might get pushed into election, but afterwards, we're going to get a pullback. eBay was on my watch list last week. We could see this curl up on eBay right over here on the end on a 180-day chart. Um, and it looks like it has a lot of room to run. eBay definitely has a lot of room to run. I do see some potential consolidation right at that 54. If we do break 54 here, I could see we have potential to gap up. We definitely have potential to gap up. Yeah, so when I started watching eBay, it was actually right around this 5150 range, right over here last week, and it was they got some type of new shoe deal or shoe confirmation. I don't know, something going on where they had it, but yeah, I was like in eBay these last 2 weeks. I traded a few times, made a few $100 on it. Yeah, I'm looking for a break above 54 here, which I'll make an alert. See right here, create alert, set at or above 54. All right, so let's break down Fastly. That's fine. Fastly is a okay. All right, so let's take a look at Fastly really quickly. Fastly, I'm pulling up on a what is this? A 1 year chart here. We could see that Fastly right here it pretty much bounced off that 74 range, which has been a previous resistance for it. So we could see once it clears here, it pushed up, bounced off it again, pushed up again, bounced off again, pushed up again, bounced off it again, pushed up again. So every single time that it looks like Fastly is touching this 74 range, it is instantly pushing right back up. So you could see from here, I think, which was in March, boom, we moved 86%. Yeah. This little mini tower I see you. But look, yeah, higher high, higher high, higher high. When was Fastly's earnings again? Let me pull this up. Where do you? I thought it was negative news that caused the drop. I have earnings on the 28th, which is Wednesday. You're correct. It does have this huge gap. We could see it right here, where it drops from 90 to, it goes from 122 to 90. So it has a big gap to go upwards. The only thing with Fastly is if it does have a really negative earnings as well, look at all this room it has to drop. There is no previous support range anywhere here. So I would say like this right here would be the next support range right around $50. Now, I mean, that's a huge drop. That's another $25 move. That's a 33% drop. So I mean, do we think that we're going to get a 33% drop in the company? No. But play at your own risk as well. Yeah. Yeah. Trade it based off of how it reacts to earnings. Um, well, so it's being reported. It's being reported on Wednesday. Let me just pull this up one last time. Wednesday after hours, so at 4 p.m. So we're going to either get a huge push on Wednesday into aftermarket hours, or we're going to see a reaction Thursday. Most likely in after hours, and then Thursday will continue to follow it. So one thing that caused the huge push up and this huge gap was a lot of TikTok news. So TikTok blew up. Pretty much, they had a contract, I believe, with TikTok, and then something happened where they either got stopped using them or they stopped using them a lot. Something happened with TikTok that caused this huge drop right here. So we got to see if that's also accounted for in earnings, because even if they do have a negative earnings, but they have some type of futuristic TikTok news for a future outlook, that right there is a positive catalyst in the earnings and could push the stock price right back up to 100. I could see a easy gap up on Fastly to 91. Right around that 91 range. So I'll go ahead and create an alert. Okay. All right. No, we're all good here. Apple, let's break it down. Apple, guys, you got to remember when you're trading Apple, yes, they're an amazing company. Yes, they just released a new iPhone, but let's go ahead and pull them up on a 180-day chart, or let's even pull them up on a 1 year chart. Now, of course, this is after stock split, of course, after stock split prices. But we were on a low of $53 in Apple, and then we pushed all the way up to almost $140. Now, that's a 160% move in 6 months on this stock. This stock has been out, Apple's been out, what, 20, 30 years? Something like that. It has literally never seen a push like this before in its life. So this, guys, right here is a 10-year chart. A 10-year chart. Give it a second to load if you're on a 5-second delay. No, because I got the YouTube on my other screen. I'll do monitors. But so guys, this right here is a 10-year chart. Look at this madness. Right here. Look, this is a 180% move in 218 days. 180% move. This is a company that was valued at over $2 trillion. Think about that. So at this price range, 8 months ago, this company was valued maybe $700 billion. And now, a few months later, they're at $2 trillion. Keep that in mind. Apple is due for a pullback. I believe in the company. I love Apple. I love them long term. If anyone had a 10-year plan for me, they asked, hey, Steven, we're putting away 10 years of money and not touching this stock. I'm telling you guys, all or nothing in Apple. I'm saying for any long-term investors, don't hold. Apple's due for a pullback. Because a lot of people will buy Apple and they'll be like, oh, well, it's Apple. It has to go up. No, it doesn't. It doesn't have to do anything. So when is this earnings? Let me pull this up one more time. Apple we have on Thursday after close. Okay. So Thursday looks like we have really big earnings here, guys. So we have Apple, Amazon, and Facebook. And also Shopify. Those are the 4 huge earnings of the week. Oh, and then also Microsoft, AMD. Wow, yeah, this is going to be a crazy week, guys. This is the week to do it. A 100%, yeah. So Apple, since they're such a huge, heavily weighted company, you got to remember their weight in the Dow, their weight in the Nasdaq, and their weight in the SPY. So Apple itself can literally move the entire stock market. So we have Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Shopify on Thursday. Wow. Okay, this is gonna be nuts. You want me to pull up shop? No, you're good. All right, so yeah, Shopify, for anybody that is trading options right now, it's very expensive. You can see it's $1,000 company. I think Shopify is due for a stock split very soon. Let me pull it up on a 1 year chart. So you are kind of trading close to all-time highs. I mean, yes, it's $100 off, but that's realistically a 11 or 12% move here to all-time highs. It has been very strong over this year. Granted, it is up from a low of 280 to almost $1,200. So the stock jumped like madness. So you're kind of chasing it at these prices. It's up 286% on the year. Yes. So this is a 1 day, 1 minute. I just switched it over. No, you're on like a 10-second delay. You gotta remember that. There you go. It just updated now. So you see a low of 996. That was Friday's low. So when it broke $1,000. So it looks like the $1,000 range could be a potential support for Shopify. Okay. This is on a 1 day now. Yeah, right here. Darren, you're talking about this one right here, right? Yeah, right here. The first VWAP touches. Are you talking about the top VWAP? From this to this, that's a drop of almost 1%. Yeah, that's a $10 move right there. Th- Netflix just did have a pretty bad earnings report. I'm gonna pull it up on a 180-day chart real quick. I tried to pull that W up for you, but it's a little zoomed out. If you guys can see it on my end. Yeah, this one. The thing is, they can't. Name somebody in your personal life that you know that doesn't have a Netflix account or share somebody else's. They're physically running out of people to sell subscriptions to. So now where Netflix is, oh well, no, now, yeah. So now what Netflix is doing is they're actually, everybody here probably watches Netflix. So you guys probably even notice is they're starting to make a lot of their own content, and they're starting to get rid of a lot of different things that they're paying for. So like I'll give you an example. They're getting rid of The Office. Yeah. Yeah. Mhm. I'm as well going to throw in the Bollinger Bands. I'm going to throw in the Bollinger Bands as well to teach you guys. So, so on Netflix here, guys, I do see potential gap upwards. My first range would be 495. My second range would be that 500 range. So when I say different ranges, let's just say you own two contracts. Let's say you buy them at 490, you get the first initial push to 495. I would sell that first contract off, lock in a little bit of profits, and let that second one run. Multiple different take profit ranges. GS Goldman Sachs. Yes, sir. I already have a downtrend line over here. This is a 5 day. Okay. This is a potential swing for a 200 to 300% options contract, guys. That's what he's talking about. Yeah. It's only a $2 drop or about a $3 drop now, so that's a 1.5% drop. Let it develop. I'm gonna also go ahead and pull up Goldman Sachs on a bigger time frame just to look into it a little deeper. So this right here is a 20 day. Yeah, yeah. I could see 202 as a strong support range on Goldman Sachs. So I'm going to set up some alerts around 202 here. It has a little bit of room if it does break below 202 to go to like 199.85, 200-ish range. Yeah, yeah. On a potential pullback. I'm also going to look into Peloton here. I know Mosh is here and she loves trading Peloton. So, go ahead. Yes. Yeah, the financial sector kind of moves together. Goldman Sachs trades kind of on its own. Yeah. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, yeah. W's is more of an intraday and like a 5 day or less pattern. A W you won't really be seeing on a long term. When I pull up a long term chart, guys, yeah, that's for key levels. Yeah. Yeah, I don't ever trade guys based off of these bigger time frames. I don't trade off anything more than like a 15 minute. When I'm pulling up something like this 180-day chart, I'm just looking for key levels, and I'm looking for where other investors would see key levels. So like you could see right here on Peloton, I'm on the 120 range, and you could see 120 could be a strong support right here, based off of this previous high, this breakout right here. You could see 120 is probably the next support range for Peloton. But I also wouldn't be trading just off this 180. So we would be pulling this up onto probably a 5 day, 5 minute, and seeing how the trend is going. Yep, right here. Yep, right. Right here is the first leg. You could see the W I just drew. This is of course also on a 5 day, 5 minutes, so the W is a little off compared to Darren's W, but you could still see. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So it's pretty much it's just when we say W, guys, or U, or anything like that, it's more just about the direction. So you can see right here, look, that 120 range that I pointed out earlier, right? It keeps bouncing off of it. Look, once it clears 120 right here, it pushes up hard. This huge green bar in the 5 minute, once it cleared 120, it pushed hard. Came back down right around 120 again, bounced off it again. You could start to see the volume picking up a little bit. Yeah, right here. You could see this wick right here, right at 10 p.m. exactly. You could see the buyers are picking up. Right here, yeah. Mhm. Oh, right here. Yeah. The 10 a.m. one. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, definitely. You could even see the RSI cool down around 3 p.m. over here and then bounce going into the close. Cool. All right, so that's our breakdown on Peloton. I'm kind of waiting for Peloton to give me more clear direction. It has a lot of room to go both ways. I'll pull it up on a bigger time frame again. This is going to be a 90-day chart. So you could see kind of it's like trading a little bit in this channel. Let me go ahead and draw this for you guys. You could go ahead. Are you talking about my overlay volume? The blue bars. Go ahead. Yes. Yeah, that's your volume average 50. Let me just pull up it. Let me pull up an example for you, okay? So, okay, this is my other charts right here. So this is my other screen. I'm going to give you guys a second to catch up. So, okay, let me know when my screen is updated on your end. So this indicator right here is your volume average 50 right here. And this is where you could tell where you could either have buyers or sellers. So like I said, I trade on multiple monitors. So I have multiple different indicators working in my hand. So when I'm calling out to you guys on live note, hey guys, I just saw a big volume spike. You know, this is why, because I have eyes already on it for you guys. If you do want, you could go ahead and add in these indicators on your own screens. I don't like to, yeah, it's called volume average 50, and then that will tell you buyers and sellers. And then also, if you see this golden line right here, this is your average volume. So you could see where spikes are. So like right here on SPY/ES. I can show you guys. So let me go ahead and get this out of the way. Yeah. Let me just figure out the name for it. I forget the name of it. Yeah, no problem. Guys, right here, I think it's volume average. So type in volume, the whole word, AVG. Click on that, and then click add selected. Yeah. Yeah. And then it should be based off the 50. So what the 50 is actually going to tell you, Kay, is it'll be the average volume over the last 50 trading days for that stock. Just like you know how like your moving average exponential is 15 or 9, your VWAP is -2 day, stuff like that. That's what that means. I like volume average 50. I like a 50-day scan. And then you guys could see the key range I'm talking about for the breakout on Peloton. You see it's trading in the same little bubble. I'm waiting. Yeah, I make this. So right here under your active tools on the bottom right, you could actually change how you want to draw. These are different drawing tools for you guys. Yep. Roku, you got it. Guys, remember. I was going to say, guys, remember, Roku usually doesn't trade the same direction of the overall markets and indexes. So we could have a -5% day, markets be entirely choppy and bloody red, and Roku be up on the day. So don't forget that when it comes to Roku. Roku does not care about trend. Yeah, I'll pull you up on it one day. Okay. I trade Roku like crazy. Tell me if I drew this properly. Well, it's already after the fact, that's why. I'm circling it right now. It's going to be on a 5-second delay. We're trying to just figure out where the algorithms are trading, where everybody else is trading, and hop on the trend with them. We don't want to trade. We don't want to trade against them. We don't want to try to predict where the low is. We don't want to Once we get that confirmation of that breakout, we just want to enter quickly, get in, get out, make a little bit of money. Right here. Yes, sir. Let me just go ahead. First low is right here. Yeah, this, oh, no, you got to remember you're on a delay. On algorithm, an algorithm most likely stepped up there. You could also, another thing that you could notice right here is, and I'll always point this out to all beginning traders, it's something to do with the human psychology, is flat numbers. Flat numbers for some reason, guys. 218 flat. 218.50 flat number. 224 flat number. You guys will always notice this when it comes to stock trading, is like usually when people have limit orders, sell limits, stop losses, take profits, anything like that, they're always on flat numbers. Do you guys ever think that somebody will be like, "Oh, I want to take profits at $223.92?" No, it's going to be 224. Guys, people trade flat numbers. You could see right here at the 218.50 range, right there was literally low of the day. There's probably a huge buy order sitting right there. Somebody right there had a buy order with $1 million and just pushed up that stock price. That's where that huge volume spike comes in. It's an algorithm. Yeah. Yeah, I just did. Let me know when it updates on your end. Yeah. The cross would be right around here. You could see the red to green right here. So you could see, look, red gets rejected and then green comes up. Me and Darren most likely would have seen this green candle and then grabbed this big green bar. He put it together a little bit better. He wants to ride the second leg upwards on the W. Yeah. Which one are you talking about? I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. Oh, you're talking about just draw this straight across. It's very similar to a double bottom. Yeah. So right, it's never bad to sell early, guys. Lock in your profits. Look at my oval. This right here would be his take profits. Yeah. So if you want like right, let's just say he gets in right here and he oh, let me actually switch this real quick to trend line. No, but yeah, let's just take a look real quick at how much he would have made on this trade. So this right here is a 1.4% move. In options, that's most likely a 30 to 50% same expiration week contract. So if he was to take a $5,000 play on that, he's most likely making 2 to 3 grand on that play. And that's a matter of, I would say, 45 minutes to an hour. Patterns tend to yeah, they tend to repeat themselves. Yep. Hi, buddy. Yeah, I'm switching over to Bollinger Bands to get a little better with them myself. Speaking of Zoom, we'll break Zoom down next. Oh wow, Zach, where did you come from? Oh, okay, gotcha. Yo, Omar, if you could hear me, check your phone real quick. I text you a link to the Discord. What are you looking to do, Darren? He's talking about morning direction. You could also see when Zoom usually opens up, whatever direction it takes, it's going to run with. So I mean, right now I have a 180-day chart on. Yeah, you could see like look at these huge spikes. Yeah, huge spikes always at market open in one clear direction. Huge spikes everywhere. Huge spikes. So if you guys do want to take early morning play, Zoom is usually where it's at because it will tell you its early direction, and then it always runs. Start studying price action with it and start to see if you could start to pick up on the patterns and relay with them and 70-80%. Yeah. Like people have like a 50% win loss ratio and they're profitable as long as their risk to reward is good. I usually tell all traders, and this is something I do myself, is study the same five stocks. That's all you trade. All you trade. Same five stocks. Study the same five stocks over and over again, and just realize the price action on them. See how they move. See how they correlate with volume, all your indicators, how they act after earnings. Literally become in sync with these same five companies, and that's all you'll trade, and you will become a millionaire from trading the same five companies. These people that are trading random stocks, they don't know what they're buying, they don't know anything about it, they don't know how the stock reacts, they don't know the average movement or the average speed of the stock. They're going to get burned. They're going to get burned. When people give me random callouts of stocks that I don't know anything of, I won't even pull it up on my chart. I truly don't care. I truly don't. Study SPY, study NASDAQ, study Amazon, Apple, Tesla, Zoom. Like you pick out which companies you like, but have the same watch list day in and day out. Darren, what's our take on, oh, go ahead. It does like a sideways W. Yeah, 100%. Gotcha. Darren, what's our take on AMD earnings? How do we think they're gonna do? I know we don't ever play earnings, but I'm saying how are we expected for them to do? Okay. It looks like they're pretty Ace, you're gonna have to stop squeaking that shit in my ear. Eh. AMD is on yeah, I was just looking it up. Tuesday after the close. Yeah. Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, right around here. Yeah, I see the leg up to on AMD all the way up to 88. You could see it previously. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. I could see I could see AMD gapping up to 88, and it's AMD has definitely had its 10% moves in a day before. AMD is a very strong company. Another thing also to add to AMD, AMD did also get rewarded or not rewarded. I'll call it a contract. They did get the contract for both the Xbox X or Xbox One, whatever it's called, the new Xbox coming out, as well as the PlayStation 5, and so now all these systems, the PS5 and the new Xbox, has just got made and created all with AMD chips. Now, of course, that's going to be expected already in their, earnings per share estimate. So their earnings per share estimate will probably be a little higher this quarter versus last quarter, which was only 18 cents per share. But that being said, they do have a lot of positive catalysts going into this earnings. A lot of positive catalysts going into these earnings. We could also see a potential curl up on AMD here as well. Yes, 75. Yeah, I like it. I like AMD in the long term at 75. If it breaks below 75, it does have a big gap to fill going downwards, but I don't think it will fill it. Yeah. AMD is my number one most traded stock. Yeah, guys, we're gonna be wrapping this up maybe in about like another like 10, 15 minutes or so. So if you guys do have any questions, let us know now. What chart do you want me to pull up on Tesla for everyone? Guys, one thing that everybody forgets about Tesla is they're so overvalued. Like yes, they are a futuristic company. No, that's what I'm saying is because of the split, everybody's like, "Oh, Tesla's only at 420 bucks." They're not realizing, since we're talking about after stock split prices, the stock 1 year ago was $59. So here, let's draw a line from $59 real quick to the high of 500. That's a 790% move in a company in 1 year, guys. 790%. This company's year over year profits are increased like 12% this year. The stock price is up almost. They did and they didn't. I mean, they have multiple streams of income. They have the solar panels, they have the futuristic, they have, Elon Musk, obviously, who's a super genius. That being said, like, the company is so overvalued. A lot of people have a futuristic and, like, 10-year plan for Tesla, which, yeah, Tesla could take over in the next 10 years or so because we're switching over from gas powered cars to electric in the future. That being said, though, it doesn't mean that their profits are anything higher. They still have the same four vehicles. The 10-day maybe, but I'm saying like realistically, Tesla needs a big pullback. I don't think we're gonna get it, which is the worst part. Yeah, just like how it did in March. I could see a leg up to like that 440 range on Tesla. Yeah, yeah, definitely. And knowing Elon Musk, he knows what's going on with the earnings right now, and he's gonna put something on Twitter. Knowing the guy, who'll put something on Twitter. Guys, mind you, they will be a bit pricey, especially a few weeks out. But yeah, definitely a good buy. It's Tesla. Yeah, no, it's literally honestly that's the best way to say it. It's just fucked up. You guys could also you guys could also see I actually had this triangle. I know it's not the best triangle in the world, but I had this triangle formed. You could see I actually had this triangle drawn and formed before this breakout candle. So you could see right where my triangle gets squeezed out right here. You could see the push upwards. So boom. Guys, we could also see a bounce. I think that was on Friday where it touched like 408, 409, maybe 410ish. We could see that bounce off that support range. So we could see. I know, like I said, my chart's on a 5 second delay from when I talk, but we could see every single time that it touches this 410 range right around on Tesla, right here, one, two, and number three, which was on Friday. Every single time it touched this support range, it bounces off and goes higher. So 410 for Tesla is a very strong, very, very strong support. If we open up the markets red on Monday morning, I think we're touching 410. But I mean it's only $10 away, Darren. That's a 2.5% move. Yeah. And I mean look, markets so far on the over weekend is already down a 0.5%. So if we hold these, yeah. Yeah. I mean, look, we could see SPY is down 0.5%. We could see Nasdaq is down 0.4%. Oil is down, gold is down, gas is down, our VIX is down. So everything right now trading into Monday morning is looking on the downtrend. Ace. I'll pull Tesla back up for you guys. I like Tesla right around that like 408 to 410 range for our entry. Well, Tesla moves very quickly as well. So even if he buys in at 410, he'll blink. It'll be at 420. So gotcha. I'm gonna set up some alerts here on Tesla, right around the 409 range. When I set up alerts, guys, that's pretty much just for me to keep eyes on those levels. Alerts aren't always entry points for me. It'll be like, oh hey, by the way, this stock is at this key level right here. Let's watch what it happens next. It's not it just I got an alert at a specific price and I must buy it. It does change from from day to day. Yeah, me too. Yeah. Yeah, and also he's also scalping this. Like I said, guys, Tesla is not really a company that I like to hold in the long term. And when I say long term, more than an hour, with Tesla, I don't. It's very it moves very volatile. So your emotions involved with Tesla is very high. You could be up $1,000 on the stock, and then you blink and you'll be down 500. So it does move very quickly. It does move very quickly. So I always suggest to any Tesla traders is always lock in your profits. Yeah, exactly. Have trailing stop losses, use OCO brackets, have potential ranges that you have. Before you get into any trade, and especially a Tesla trade, you want to know where you're getting in, why you're getting in, and what you want to look for. So, like let's say you get in at 408 and you're expecting a break of 408 to 412 and it doesn't happen, get out of the trade. Why are you holding it? Get out. Get the yeah, get the F out. Tesla is not forgiving. Tesla is not a forgiving stock. You're either right or you're extremely wrong. Yeah. You'll blink. I traded Tesla before, guys, and I've lost thousands of dollars in seconds trading Tesla. Chris, going back to the natural gas reports. That's how Tesla trades. Darren, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. So those are going to be the last two I break down. Is Target and Walmart. Yeah. Tomorrow I'm probably waking up at like 6. Yeah, I'm probably waking up at 6 tomorrow to work out before work. So yeah. So I got Target pulled up right now on a 90-day chart. Gotcha. All right. So I'll pull it up a 20-day for you. Yeah, 20-day my trend line's actually not that relevant, so I'll go ahead and remove that. Yeah, see, Target here, I don't really like trading in this range. So we could see in the last 2 days, I'll go ahead and make an oval real quick for you guys. We could see in these last 2 days, it kind of stays in the same range right over here. So I want to break out of this range to see more on clear direction. So I would say a break above 161. So you set up an alert right there for a break above 161, or alert to go off, or a break below, I would say 158. So that right there that's called range trading. So what we're trying to do right here is we're trying to identify more of a more of a direction. Now, does Target have any type of earnings coming up? Like what's going on with Target? I haven't traded this in a while. Yeah, that is. Target usually doesn't move that quickly, guys. We could start to see it curling up too. You could see this curl up happening. I'm I'm looking for a break here above 161 as stated. You could see guys that on these 1 hour charts, 20-day 1 hour right here, the close on this first red candlestick right here at 161 and then the open on the next one. So you could see that target right here, this key range is very important for it with that 161 range because you could see the big wick on both ends of these sticks. Wick down, came back up to 161. Wick above 161, got rejected, came back down. Touched 161 again on Friday morning. Got rejected by it. So, as I could see, there's strong seller pressure right at 161. If we ever break above 161, we could easily gap to a 163.20. I'm going ahead and I'm pulling these up right now. So yeah, guys, look right here. This is what he's looking at, the 165 call. Because the markets are closed, you're gonna have a high bid and ask. So right here is your bid price at 460. So that's $460 a contract, and the ask is 495. So you would probably put your spread in between the two and get it for like 475, 480. Yeah, that's why I was showing them the bubble range on Target. See now Walmart on the other hand. Target is a powerhouse, guys. Target is definitely a powerhouse. Yeah, guys, just to let you know why companies do that stuff, it's honestly for tax savings. Yeah, marketing. It's marketing, it's customer service, there's a lot more to it. It's, yeah. That's marketing, that's customer service, that's everything. Like because guess what? You're walking in with that bag, you're reusing that bag, you're looking at it every day in your kitchen. It's marketing, guys. It's like when people give you a magnet to put on your fridge. It's marketing. It's in your face at all times. Yeah. I definitely do like Target as well here. I'm looking for a potential curl up above that. I think it was that 161 range, and then that would be an entry for me. I like Target for my long term portfolio. Yeah, agreed. They're a mega house. Yeah, they're a mega house. Oh, so no, that's it on Target. Oh, Darren, I've actually had Walmart pulled up for a little while now. This is the Walmart chart that I have pulled up, and this is the range that I see that I need a break on it. Do you see my oval on it? Now, of course, this is a 180 day 1 hour chart, guys. So this is more for just some type of clear direction. Right here, it's trading in the middle of my oval. At these prices, I don't like it with no clear direction. So it could go up, it could go down. It has no clear direction for me, no potential breakout. One thing I will point out is I started to notice the bars are getting very smaller and very tight. We need some type of volume to come into Walmart for me to play this. I'm going to move over to the left on this 180-day chart, and you could see when the volume spikes up here, guys, you can start to see very big candle bars forming. That shows me that Walmart does move with volume. So you could see right here, right here. Walmart is moving with volume right here. Again, Walmart moved with volume, moved again with volume right here. So you could start to see the volume dying out on this last grid. So that being said, I need some type of volume here, guys, to show me where the buyers or sellers are in Walmart. I don't think algorithms are really even picking up a Walmart right now. It's moving very slowly. There's no volume in it. What an algorithm is pretty much for is, no joke, to steal your money. So if there's no if yeah, stop you out, take your money, guys. That's what an algorithm is for. It's a computer that's literally built to make money for whoever's using it. That being said, with these low volume right here, there's no retail buyers coming into Walmart at these prices, so there's no algorithm trading, and that's why it's a dead stock. Right now, I would delete Walmart off my watch list, and I would re-enter on some alerts. So I'm gonna set up an alert here on 145, 145.75, and I'll also set an alert on the downside on 142.85, and then I'll set up one last alert right here at 142.30. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, help me out on this because I don't like Walmart at all. Yeah, I would look for a break above 147. Yeah, yeah, exactly. So you got to also remember, guys, with a stock like this, guys, this is a 180-day chart, and the stock's low was 136, and its high was 146. That's an 8% move in 180 days, guys. 8% move. Who wants to own this company? It doesn't move. It doesn't move. So yeah, you could see on Friday it moved 0.2%. You're not making money on 0.2% unless you put $10 million into the stock. Yeah, guys. So anything if you're an options trader right there, your IV is just gonna get blown up. Yeah, I got you. 100%. No, I could see why you had it on, but yeah, I'm getting rid of it here. Yes. Cool. I'm all good on this. Yeah, I'm all good for today with this. If anybody else does have any questions, though, please let us know before we do hop off of this. All right, cool. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and end it here. Anybody that's not subscribed to my YouTube, go ahead and subscribe. This is my YouTube channel. I will start to upload some educational videos on here. The only reason why I haven't yet is I'm pretty much building a course for anybody that doesn't know, and I'm trying to determine what information will be free and then what information will be on the course. So once I have a little bit deeper of an outline of my entire course, that's when the YouTube will start to get uploaded. Probably right around like the 100 subscriber range. I'm like 60 right now or something like that. But that's going to be the future outlook on this YouTube channel. I will start using this a little bit more to help you guys out. If anybody does have any YouTube video ideas, YouTube questions, anything that you guys would like me to break down for you guys on the YouTube channel, just go ahead and send me a private message on my Discord, and I'll probably record a video for you guys and then go ahead and upload it to the YouTube channel. Yeah, this is going to be, guys, this is going to be a very, very busy week. Do not get caught bag holding anything. If a trade doesn't go your way, guys, just cut it. Cut it and re-enter. It will be a very, very busy week. Darren, quick question for you. I'm going to throw the Bollinger Bands on as well. Are you looking at the Bollinger Bands or Bollinger Band crossover? So guys, if anybody doesn't know how to edit your studies, I just did it real quick on my chart. So you're going to click edit studies right up here. And then you could just choose which type of study you want over here and then click add selected. And what do you have it on? Do you have it on close 0, 20, -2, 2, simple? No, that does sound a little bit better though. So what are you looking for with this Bollinger Band? Are you looking for the crossover pattern? Wait, Darren, say that one more time with the 200. What was that? Yeah. So did you get rid of your moving average exponential? Okay. Oh, so instead of 10, you have 200 on the DEMA? Wait, 1 second. What the fuck? Okay. Okay, I see it. That's a big DEMA. I'm gonna have to go over this myself. Okay, gotcha. All right, so then yeah, Darren, me and you will go over this privately. Yeah, and we'll break this down a little bit. Yeah. Okay, gotcha. All right, so I'll do a little homework on the Bollinger Bands a little bit more. All right, cool. Guys, thank you for everybody that did tune in. I know this was a little bit of a long one. We're going on about 2 hours right here. God, Darren, how do we go again another 2 hours? Yeah. All right, guys, we'll see you all tomorrow, okay? All right, good night. We're going to end the stream here. I don't even know how to shut this thing